Ever wondered how to crank out pro-level ambient videos in minutes using free AI tools? Today, I'm breaking it all down from Meta AI visuals to Shotcut magic and epidemic sound loops. Stick around, hit play, and let's make your channel explode. Go to Shotcut website by searching it in Google. Click on the website. Click to download and wait for it to download automatically, then install it on your PC. Head straight to perplexity.ai and enter this exact prompt. Create 20 prompts to generate videos with Meta AI for my new YouTube video, 7Hz healing tunes, using cosmic visuals and a dreamy atmosphere. Next, go to Meta.ai. Click Create. Switch the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube-friendly widescreen. Copy each of the 20 prompts one by one and generate the visuals in Meta AI. Once generated, pick your favorites and hit animate on each image to turn them into smooth video clips. Finally, download and save all those clips to your folder for Shotcut editing. Let's head over to epidemicsound.com to grab the perfect music track for our video. Search for keywords that match your video theme like ambient relaxation or cosmic healing for your Meta AI visuals. Click Create Versions, set the preferred length to 60 seconds, and tick the loop option for seamless repeats. Drag to select a section on the play track. When you release the mouse, choose Use Selection. Preview all the generated versions, pick your favorite, and download it to layer under your edited clips in Shotcut. Let's grab a cool free subscribe animation to boost your YouTube end screens. Head over to vecteezy.com right now. Switch to the Videos tab, then search YouTube subscribe animation or subscription YouTube. You'll see tons of eye-catching options. Filter for free license, only to stay monetization safe, no watermarks or claims. Pick one that vibes with your channel, like a popping button with bell effects. Preview it to make sure it loops nicely. Hit download, save the MP4, and don't forget to credit the author in your video description like subscribe animation by username via vecteezy to follow their rules perfectly. Let's open Shotcut. Select UHD to 160p at 30 frames per second. Create a name for our project, then press Start. Go to the Playlist tab. Select and drag the clips we created using Meta AI. Drop them all onto the video track below. Hit play and take a look. We don't want those sudden jumps between videos, so select the first video, click the Filters button, add a new filter fade in video and set the duration to 2 seconds. Add another filter fade out video and make that to seconds too. Copy all those filters from the first video, then paste them onto the second and third ones. Now, test play it to see how it looks. Much better, I bet. The videos are too short, so select the first one, go to Properties, and adjust the speed to 0.5 that makes it 10 seconds long instead. Drag the other videos a bit to extend the first one properly to 10 seconds. Repeat this process for all the remaining videos. Once we've finished setting up our video, it's time to export it for YouTube. Select YouTube from the Stock Presets drop-down menu. Click Export, and wait for it to finish. It may take a few minutes, depending on your computer specs. Let's fire up a fresh new project in Shotcut to handle our audio. Click Start to jump in, head to the Playlist tab, and drag your downloaded Editng soundtrack right into it. Drag the track down onto an audio track A1. Duplicate it, right-click the clip and select Copy, then paste to stack a second copy, and extend the length for that seamless loop. Preview the playback, those sudden gaps between clips. Not what we want for smooth ambient flow. Drag the second clip's left edge slightly over the first one. Just a second or two of overlap creates a natural blend. Hit play again, much smoother now, right? Redo the process, add more copies, overlap each one precisely, and build out your full runtime. When ready, go to Export, select MP3 from the audio drop-down, then click Export to save your polished loop. Now let's pull all the pieces together for your final YouTube-ready video. Fire up a fresh project in Shotcut and import your video clips, audio loop, and subscribe animation into the playlist. Drag the main video to video track 1v1. Add an audio track below A1. Drop your polished audio there, and trim any extra tail end with the Ripple Edit tool for a clean finish. Create a new video track above V2. Place the subscribe animation starting at the 5-second mark. Perfect timing after your intro. Quick preview. Does it flow? Next, select the animation clip. Hit Filters plus, add Chroma key. Advanced, pick the green color. Tweak smoothness until the background vanishes seamlessly. Add a size, position, and rotate filter right after. Scale it down to corner size about 15 to 20%, nudge bottom right, and add a slight fade in for polish. Run one more test looking pro, boom, everything synced and ready to export for those watch hours. And there you have it, our final result. You've got a polished Shotcut project with smooth meta AI visuals, faded transitions, extended clips, pro epidemic sound audio loops, and export-ready files perfect for your ambient YouTube uploads. That's a wrap on our full tutorial. Now you've got all the steps to create stunning ambient videos using meta AI clips, Shotcut edits, epidemic sound loops, and smooth exports. If this helped you level up your own channel, hit that like button, subscribe for more no-fluff workflows, and drop a comment with your next project idea. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Let's build those watch hours together. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.